Once upon a time, there was someone who was nice and sweet. There was a nice witch who came and helped us, but a bad witch took her. And then it was gone. Then it came back. It was just a dream. So Piney Lonnie came to rescue the good witch. And Piney Lonnie got the bad witch and put her in the jail. Piney Lonnie said, "Can I please join in?" And Piney Lonnie, and they said yes. Piney Lonnie said yay. And he said thank you, and he hugged everybody. And it came nice and good. And the shark and everybody good came to join. But the witch said, "I want to be good too." So Piney Lonnie said, "Double promise?" And she said, "Yes, double promise." Then the bad witch played nice with everybody and came through. And ding, we're not done, right? And then the ding dong dingy came to fun. Everybody who's good and bad, who promised they'll be good and good for years and years until they die. But the Sharky said no die. Here's a spell, a special potion spell. It can never make you die. And then they never died. And he said, "There, you're not getting old again, and you'll never die." All like it when it's fun to go. Like it fun to go. One, the end.